Okay, so you need to place the picosecond directly where the scar is and go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and the person hand needs to be very precise while you're doing this, and you need to be very comfortable and very in a very stable position. I had to dig up some videos from my previous video when I was doing my skirt in order to show you. So yeah, this is it. And please, while you're doing this, the person needs to wear a transparent glasses in order to protect their eyes. Yeah, and just mark the area. Tell the person to be very stable, the hands to be very stable in the while doing it, and the scar will shrink. You get. So this video is to show you how to effectively use this scar and how to use it to get rid of your scar, your tribal mark. Now, as I said before, there are previous videos, and I wanted you to learn from it if you're doing it. And if you're doing it yourself, it's fine, but just make sure you get a transparent glass that you can see through and see what you're doing. You don't want to make mistakes because the slides are very strong. Be in this very stable position and a precise position where you're comfortable, and be comfortable while they do work on it for you. The person, like I said before, the person needs to go back and forth and be going with the machine up and down where your scar starts and where it stops, as you can see in the video. So yeah, that's it. All the best.